Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to verify your Gumroad account. All right, so first up, log into your Gumroad account. Once you're in here, just go ahead over to the bottom left, click on your profile. Now go ahead and click on settings. Once done, at the very top, you have payments, all right? You have these tabs right here. So click on payments, and then go ahead and scroll down. And then you need to go ahead and enter your bank account details. So for example, pay to the order of, go ahead and enter your exact name, okay? The name that is tied to your bank account. So enter the name. Then once done, your BIC account number, and confirm the account number right here by just retyping it. The account type, was it individual or a business account? All right. And then once that's done, scroll all the way down. You'll have to match your name right here that appears on the ID, including the middle name, as well as your last name. Enter your address, city postal code, country and phone number, and do not forget your date of birth. And then once that's done, go ahead over to the very top and just update the settings. Now, if Gumroad or Stripe, if you have entered your Stripe account, request a further identification, you may need to upload photos of your government-issued ID or a recent bank statement to prove your address. And then after that, the verification process can take anywhere from 24 to 48 hours to several weeks, okay, depending on your sales volume and region, as Gumroad performs this review to ensure your sales activities are legitimate. So do not forget to check your inbox and click the verification link when you first signed up to activate your basic profile. So if you don't know how to confirm an email or to confirm your email from Gumroad, you can go ahead and check our channel out. We have a separate video for that. That's it for now. That's how easy it is to verify a Gumroad account. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.